Yes, I'm home. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm on my way home, but I just want to ask, is Divine home?
No, she's not.
Okay, when she comes back, please, make sure she stays inside. Don't let her come out at all.
Okay, but what is going on? What is going on? Why are you sounding like this? You're getting me worried.
I'll be home soon.
Okay. What is going on? Ivy, you good? You're scaring me. What is going on? Talk to me. Ivy! Ivy, what is it now? Can you just talk to me? Ivy, what is... What do you want? What are you doing here?
Calm down, please. But where is Ivy? Huh?
Where
is Ivy? I just want to talk to Ivy. Where is she, please?
What are you doing? Just leave me alone. Let me kill this wicked fool. Just, you have to stop. No. I don't want this animal anywhere close to me. I don't want it around me at all. It's okay. Damn it, see, he has to leave here or else the police will take me for murder. Okay, Johnson, please, you have to leave now. Please leave. It's okay. It's fine, he's gone. What? Johnson, what were you thinking coming here? What?
Mommy, please. Just hear me out, please.
So what can you possibly say now that would justify your action?
Okay, listen to me. Just listen. Give me time to explain. That's just all I need. I beg you.
See, there is nothing you will say now that will make sense to me. Absolutely nothing. Do you know what you did to her? I mean, if I weren't around today, she would have killed you. Yes, you would have been dead by now. It would have been Otilo. Otilo. Do you know what you did to her? She literally went through a lot, all because of you. You disappeared into thin air without minding how she would survive the pregnancy. How cruel can you be? I mean, she went through a lot.
Can you please help me? Please. Just help me.
You want me to help you? How can I help you? Tell me, how do you want me to help you? I will be a fool to help you. Yes. And for someone you claim to love, if you could do something like that to her, then you are worse than a devil.
It's Johnson. Yes, yes, speak. Hello, Johnson. Johnson, where are you? Your woman is in labor. We need to take her to the hospital. Are you close by? Johnson, the Uber I booked is still far away. Where are you? Just hello.
What did he say? What did he say?
Is
he coming? Is he coming?
Oh!
Go, get a taxi. Call somebody.
With all the money you have, you allowed Ivy go through intense suffering. I was with her all through. But at some point I had to travel because of my work. And Zenith also had to go for her youth service. She was all alone by herself, just with a child. And now you are back, asking for what exactly?
Tammy, I know I made a great mistake. And I'll spend the rest of my life regretting it, but I am back. I am back to make amends.
Her family pushed her out, all because of you.
My family refused to accept the fact that I got a girl that was not in our status pregnant. My friends, they mocked me because of that. Yes, I admit, I took the wrong advice from them. But what would you have me do? I was young. I was confused. That's why I'm begging for forgiveness. Please.
I am not the one you should be asking for forgiveness. I am not the one you put through the pains. I mean, asking Ivy to forgive you now, I know it will be very difficult because she has every right not to forgive you.
That is why I'm begging you, Danny, to please help me. Please.
To think you even abandoned her, even when she told you she was pregnant. You doubted her. You even blocked her. How cruel can you be?
I thought she was trying to get back at me. I never knew she was telling the truth. I swear.
So, how did you find out?
After she blocked me from all social media, I used my friend's phone to check on her. And then I realized that she wasn't posting anything. That was when it dawned on me that she probably might be telling the truth. Until one day, my friend told me he saw her in the market and she was fully pregnant. I tried to reach out, but she blocked me. She cut me off.
Why wouldn't she? After what you did to her?
Dami, I messed up. I accept the fact that I made a big mistake and I will spend the rest of my life regretting it. But I want to make amends. And that is the truth. You are the only person that can help me here. I beg you. Please.
Please, calm down. Maybe you should hear him out.
Are you insane? Hear who out? Please don't say that again.
See, I know you are angry. Yes, I know. But don't you think Divine deserves a father figure in her life?
Well, I am not about to allow a pathetic liar assume the role of father in my daughter's life. No!
I know your anger.
You don't know half of it. After the way he treated me, he's just gonna come here and shed a few tears and he thinks I'm just gonna wipe my memory and forget everything.
Ivy, please.
He called me names. He called me all sorts of names. He called me a slut. He called me a prostitute. He called me a gold digger. He called me a lowlife. He called me a beggar. There's nothing he didn't call me. And now he's back.
He said all of that?
Well, his friends said he said all of that.
Oh my God. His friends. You just said his friends. But you know his friends never wanted you both to be together. They would literally do anything to make sure the relationship stops. They wanted you to hate him and wanted him to hate you as well.
Well, they succeeded. Because he gave in to their words. He listened to them and then he threw me out. He threw me out of his life. He threw me out of his house. And even when he came to me, I said to him, I made it clear to him that I was not even on his level. I didn't have the kind of money he had. I'm not from a wealthy home. And he said he was fine with it. He said he was fine with it. And he loved me regardless. He just wanted to be with me. And then when I needed him the most, when I needed him the most, that was when he chose to abandon me. He did. And I stopped school because of him. My parents have threw me out of the house because of him. And then now you think he's just going to come here and any kind of apology is going to make me forget and forgive him? That's not possible. It's not possible. It's wrong.
Please, just calm down. It's okay.
I just want to be left alone.
Please, you just have to go.
Dami, please now. Please.
The damage you've caused cannot be fixed in one day. Just go. Leave already. Ha.
Okay. Can I get your number?
Eh? My number? For what? Do you want Ivy to kill me? Please, I don't want any trouble.
Dami, please. It's just your number, so I'll be able to reach you first. Coming here all the time can only get Ivy more angry. Please, I'm begging.
Okay, I'll give you my number. But don't call me without testing me. And if I don't reply, you don't bother calling. Because we agreed to deal with you. But now I don't know why I'm having this softness. Because
of the little child.
why didn't you think of that before making your decisions? Please bring the phone, let me put the number there.
Sorry.
Give me one last chance. I will make things right. I know I've made a mistake. I wanna make it right. Yeah, girl, I know I've had. I caused you so much pain. I know I made a mistake. I wanna make it right. I only wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wouldn't let you out of my sight. I will always be with you. Hey, how I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I will never let you go. I will always be with you. Go, give me one last chance to make up for my wrongs. I'm begging you, please. Do not look away. One more chance. That's all I am asking. Hey, I wanna make up for all the things I've done to you. One more chance.
Good afternoon, sir.
Maji.
Why is that not wearing my shirt? What is wrong with you? You bring in different girls into this house and they mess around with my things?
Guy, relax now. What's this now? For real? This shirt? Come on. That shirt you even wanted to turn it into a rag. I was the one that personally told you that the shirt was still looking okay. Alright? So why are you yelling?
Spare me that. Spare me. Today you bring in a chocolate girl. Tomorrow is a fair girl. Next tomorrow is an albino. What is this? Can't you just stick to one?
I see. This is definitely not about the shirt. What's going on, man? Talk to me. Huh?
I don't like your lifestyle. You better change it. That's all I have to say.
Oh, talk to me.
I'm going through an emotional escapade right now, okay? And I want to deal with it alone. So please, just pick one girl and stick to the girl.
I see. I see. But let me just say this, okay? When I get married, I'll stick to my wife. Yeah, it's that simple. But for now, just allow me enjoy my life. Please. And please, whatever you're going through, go through it quietly. You don't have to transfer aggressions on me or my visitors. Please.
Oh, oh, yeah. Mm. Gave me one last chance. I will make things right. I know I've made a mistake. I wanna make it right. Yeah, girl, I know I've had. I caused you so much pain. I know I made a mistake. I wanna make it right. I only wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wouldn't let you out of my sight. I will always be with you. Hey, how I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I will never let you go. I will always be with you. Go. Give me one last chance to make up for my wrong. I'm begging you, please. Do not look away. Yeah. One more chance. That's all I am asking. Hey, I wanna make up for all the things I've done to you. One more chance. One more chance.
Why did you call? I was enjoying the chat.
Yes, baby. Seriously, I was enjoying that chat. It's just I needed to hear your lovely voice.
Oh, please stop it.
Yeah, I'm serious about it. I say anything I say, I mean it.
I actually do need some hangout right now, considering how I've been feeling lately.
So talking about that, when are you going to come and see me? Me say if I don't try now.
You know I have a daughter, right? So, the other day, my baby daddy traced me home. And he just brought back terrible memories I had with him.
Okay, so sorry. Yeah, since that is the case, why not come to me? Why not just come over to my place?
You better get your mind out of the gutter.
No, we already established that nothing is happening. I'm not inviting you. Nothing is going to happen. I just want to see you because we've been chatting for so long. I just want to see you. Nothing is happening between us. Of course, that's not why I'm inviting you.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Okay. All right. Just take your time and think about it. Okay. I'll be expecting you then. All right then. Yeah, bye.
Hey. Yeah. Baby girl. Where are you going looking this thing? You know, since Johnson traced me home, I have been really, really sad. My spirit has been down. I just need to go out with a friend and, have some fun and forget about my worries.
A friend. And you are looking this hot. Don't tell me you don't have other plans.
Oh, okay, you don't catch me. I might just be getting laid.
Oh.
See, I just want to be happy, Forget about all my sadness. And basically, I just need a man, Just, get in with life.
Anyways, just have fun, baby girl. Stay safe. And don't forget to share your location with us.
I promise you, ma'am, I will not forget. Okay. How do I look?
Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thank you, baby.
Wow.
I'll see you guys.
All right, have fun.
Okay, now that you've seen me, what do you think?
I must confess, okay? Yeah, you actually look more better in life than you are in your pictures. No, that's like you look more gorgeous, like for real.
You have your way with words, don't you?
Yeah, but I'm serious. I say the things I mean, and I mean the things I say as well.
Well, you're actually a very good-looking man yourself. Yes.
Well, thank you. So, what should I get for you?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
No, I'm not taking that from you.
I'm fine, really.
Just say it. Anything, I'll get it for you. Come on.
Okay, wine. Maybe a red wine.
Wine shall get, okay?
Thank you.
1 minute. I'll be right back. Guy, will you call me? Please, do you have a condom? Like all those American standard condoms, do you have anyone left?
What are you doing with condom?
Okay, don't worry.
Don't do everything.
What do you mean by what am I doing with condom?
Hold on.
Don't you know what? Which guy?
Damien, there's something I have to tell you.
Can't the thing wait? Let it wait now. Okay. What is it? Just talk fast. Yeah?
That girl that is waiting for you, she's my ex. She has a child for me. That's Ivy.
Are you serious?
I am dead serious, bro.
Come on, bro. I've been following this girl up online for months. Seriously. I've been even sending her money, both for herself and then paying her child's school fees. And then, damn, you're the baby daddy she's always talking about.
Hold on.
What is this?
Did you just say you do send money to her?
I do send money now. It's been long. I send money for her, then I pay the child's school fees as well.
Thank God. Yes.
What are you talking
Now
about?
I have a means to help her and her child. My child, listen. Come. Listen. Please, for my sake, you cannot do anything with this girl. Okay? Look, you can keep the friendship alive so that through you I'll be able to help her and my daughter. But for now, please, Damien, no sex.
Huh?
No sex. I'm begging you.
No sex. So if there's no sex, what else is there? Come on,
Damien,
what are you
please
telling
now.
me, bro? Come chill. This thing is real, bro. Huh?
No
What
sex.
do you want me to do?
No sex.
Okay. Okay, let's just say I do this. Hmm? The next babe I'll bring to this house, you'll be the one to pay.
Deal.
Eh?
Deal.
Deal.
I agree.
No, you didn't. You no object.
Why would I?
You that don't like me to sleep around.
Well, in this situation, I can't help it. I agree. I'll even pay double.
Guy, which kind of bad love, babe? Sleep sharp, babe.
Please, now. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. No sex. Please.
Hey, you took so long. What happened? This is wrong.
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing actually. I got a business call, so I have to be in a meeting right now.
And you cannot wait?
Seriously, I wish you could, but you can't. Seriously, I tried all I could, but I'm needed somewhere right now. I'm so sorry. Alright? So, but regardless, I believe we can still make up for this. I promise I'm going to. Yeah, I promise I'll create more time for us to, have our time.
You sent me 500K.
Yeah, that's for, thank you for coming.
I don't need money. I want to spend some time with you.
I don't understand, baby. Please, I need to be somewhere right now. Okay? But I promise I'll make this up. Come on, that's good on you. I'll make this up. I promise. Thank you.
This outfit is lovely.
I knew you'd love them. That's why I got them for you.
But you haven't even told me what you want. And you've gotten so much already.
I know. I don't need to want anything from you. You're a sweet lady and then you deserve all the best.
Oh, I appreciate you.
You're welcome. I think you should be getting used to things like this. Because I'm going to do more for you. Yeah. Always welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Babe, I think I'll just take my leave now. I have a business meeting to catch.
Of course. Business here, business there.
Of course. That's how we get the money.
Okay.
So,
Alright, drive safe.
yeah, sure.
Alright, bye.
Yes, it's okay. Okay, alright.
Out. Wow. And these are designers. So, where did you find that guy?
On IG. And we'll be friends for a while. And he hasn't even asked me for anything.
Ivy, don't start. Do we look like babies to you?
Where would you see such men spending so much on you without asking you for anything, without even touching you?
And there are foodstuff in the kitchen, all thanks to him.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm serious. For real. He has not seen my pants. He has not asked for anything. He's just a good friend.
Such men are rare in this generation.
Certainly. And baby girl, hold him tight. In fact, grip him tight
Yes,
with your
so-
legs and hands. I will. Let me try my size now. Let me try.
My own size.
Which day that one start?
You know, I love pink.
Madam, don't see. I will see now.
don't even want to bully me.
I will see.
Please, this one is okay for me. I'm not greedy.
Thank you.
It's not even your size.
It will be so exciting. I will fit. I will fit.
Damien, you have been kind to me over and over and over and over and over and over again.
No, it's nothing, okay? I told you I would do more for you. All you have to do is, if you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Okay. I sell hairs online. Okay, so I'm trying to see how I can get a store, to gain my customers' trust. People hardly trust online vendors these days.
Yeah, so you need a shop?
Absolutely.
Okay, okay. All right, just take your time. Look for a very nice shop in a very good environment. So just let me know once you find one. I'll send you money to rent it or just buy it off, okay? Then equally send you money to just stock it up, you know.
Are you for real? Is this a dream? Because if it is, I don't want to wake up. If it is, I don't want to wake up. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, bless you. I mean, how can I even repay you for all of this?
Uh, you don't have to you don't have to repay me my coin. You know, I'm doing this because you mean a lot to me.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my knight in shiny armor.
You're welcome, my queen. So just let me know once you get a very nice shop, okay?
Oh, okay, definitely. I'll be on it immediately, right now.
All right, all right, all right. All right, you're welcome. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Your queen.
For real? What should I have said? It's nothing, bro. It's nothing, bro.
Hi, baby. Are you okay?
Babe, why would you tell her that I'm her father?
She's been asking so many questions. I just didn't know what else to do.
I know, but that seems so extreme.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You have been genuinely nice to me. And she loves you. So, from the very first day she saw you, you have the quality, to be honest. Just please, just let her love you and play along. She needs it.
I know.
Listen, Damien. I know that this may not lead to marriage, but you are a good man, and I will not regret this. Please just let her love you as her father. And then when she grows up, I might tell her the truth. Please.
I just pray this doesn't lead to something else.
No, it won't. I promise. I'll contain it.
It's okay.
I just didn't. I was confused. I didn't know what to do.
It's okay. I understand. Okay?
I mean, I should have mentioned it to you first before him doing that, right?
It's all good. It's all good.
I'm so sorry.
Okay? It's okay, baby.
I'm so sorry.
Can you believe that she introduced me to Divine as the real father?
She did that?
Yeah. I'm telling you, bro, it really made me uncomfortable. So when I tried to complain, she said she needed a father figure for the child, and I was closest to the kind of person she wants as a father for her kid. So I didn't know what else to say.
So Ivy wanted a father figure for my child. And she's sidelining me?
Come on, bro, you don't have to. You don't have to sound like that. You've been doing a lot for them, truly. We've been on a very nice plan. You don't have to spoil it now. Okay?
It's fine, just keep playing your role. I will do anything to keep my child and her mother comfortable.
Of course, I know. On a second thought, okay? Don't you think it's time you met your child? Divine is a smart kid. And then, I mean, Ivy must not know about it.
No, it doesn't sound like a good idea. I mean, Divine, this kid grew up with her mother all these years. How do you think I'm going to come in? How?
Alright.
Well, I still want to see my child, even if it's just for a day, once.
Well, I do understand what you're saying. I do understand. Well, I'm like a family member to them, so I'll definitely find a way for you to be able to meet Divine. Okay?
Can do that?
Yeah, of course I can. Just hold on.
You want to pick the cup?
Yeah, hold on, okay. Just sorry, I have to. Hey, baby. Yeah, I'm okay. How are you? No, I'm fine. How is work going? No, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm actually close to Divine School. I was wondering if I should just pick the kid up, then we'll meet you at home.
Aw. Daddy duties, huh?
Yes, of course. I'm learning the role.
I will be waiting for you guys at home.
All right. We'll see you soon then.
I'll see you guys. Daddy's duty. What? I can see how you were smiling. I go love, oh. It's not even about that. Stop. He's a great guy. I know. God, am I spoon? Let me love too now, Abby. You'll come, relax. I'm happy for you, darling. Thank you.
Yeah, we're good. We're good, so it's all working out.
So I get to see.
Yeah, you will. You will. Just calm down. Breathe.
Yeah, I know, just...
Why are you acting all nostalgic? What's this up now?
Look at my child. My first seed calling you daddy. Did you know how that makes me feel? I can't even have access to my child, all because I was stupid enough to listen to some fools I called my friends. Now Emeka is married to a girl that sells foodstuff in the market. Ebuka is married to a girl that didn't even see the four walls of the university. Yet they advised me to go for a classic while they went for peace of mind.
I know these stories, okay? So it's not actually all the classic girls that are not peaceful. Some of them are actually peaceful. Okay, you just have to, put yourself together, bro. Huh?
Damien, please, I want to keep seeing my child, okay?
That's exactly what we're working on. You don't have to tell me. I know. So just relax. Relax. We're working on it and I believe it's going to work out. See. Relax, bro. Okay. Yes, baby, I'm coming. Relax now. We're this together now.
Hey, baby.
Where's Damien? Damien is supposed to be here. He went to pick Divine from school. I don't know what's keeping him.
So sorry there. I had a meeting and it was just like 20 minutes. That's all late.
Alright, go and freshen up, okay? Food
So sorry. I had a little meeting, but it took longer than I thought, okay?
It's fine.
So sorry. How are you?
I know she's safe with you.
Yeah, of course.
I'm
Of course.
fine.
Oh,
I'm busy.
yeah. Of course. Of course. I hope you're fine.
I'm good.
All right. Hi. How are you? All right. I'll just be on my way. I need to rest as well.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, you
you
stay
later.
safe. Okay. All right. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who cooked last? Rosanna.
Who cooked last?
Ivy, you did. Stop lying. That was you.
Oh my God. The gas has finished and no one cared to say it.
Oh, God. I'm sorry. I can actually help with that. Yeah. I could just get down to the estate and fill it and bring it back. It's not a big deal at all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. If you say so.
Yeah, sure. Please.
You can.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Anything good?
Is there a problem?
Yeah, my phone.
Here we go.
It seems to call my phone.
My phone is not here.
Here, just type the number there.
Oh, yeah. Let me just call.
Maybe he's in the car.
Yeah, it could be there, but I just probably have not left it where we had the meeting.
Is it ringing?
Yeah, it's ringing. Yeah, it's ringing. Oh. Can you imagine? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you. I'll just
Real quick.
I'll just keep these up. Don't worry. I'll be right back, okay?
Alright, thank
Okay.
you so much. Thank you. Baby, what sort of a guy is this?
I don't know.
I mean, men like this are very rare to find.
Oh, yes. So, let me ask you. Have you both had it? Sex?
That's my point. No. I mean, he's been very caring and supporting, and he's always been there. I don't even know how much money I've taken from him so far. But till now, he has not asked me for anything.
So, in essence, you are saying that all this while that you've been together, you have not done it?
No, he hasn't done it.
Oh.
Ivy, that's a lie. I
I'm
don't
serious.
believe you.
I'm serious.
I don't believe her either.
Serious.
You mean you're not?
No, wait till you go to the lie.
You have
Not
not
be
done it.
wee.
Not be men where they hide the truth.
Not be wee. If it don't happen, I go tell you. It never happen.
But are you sure that you will not later want to?
Make it done now, Abby.
It's time come now.
To avoid.
Look, Ivy, we are your friends and we need to see you. Get this guy to do something with you. At least you can be sure you're dealing with a man and not your fellow woman. Don't you have blood flowing through your veins?
Do you think I don't try? I try. He just keeps shying away. I don't think it's even a topic he wants to discuss.
Sure you've seen the situation of people getting married to the same gender out of ignorance. if you are not careful, this will be your case.
Exactly. Babes, push harder now. You be correct, babe. You're fine. See as you said. Babe, you need to try harder so you don't end up with an impotent man or someone of same gender with you.
It's not even about marriage, you know? It's not.
See, babes, I know you've had enough drama with men, but you just have to be careful. Be sure of what you're getting yourself into. Remember, all that glitters is not gold. Even if not gold, just shine your eye.
Exactly.
Shine her well.
Babe, no for my hand. You always said like this.
I don't understand though. All they do.
I'll keep trying.
I'll
Keep
keep
try,
trying.
they go, make I see now.
Try harder.
But I tried, to be honest. I
Keep trying. Keep trying, babes.
It's getting exhausting, actually. But I'll keep
Wow. Babes, you look so sweet. I'm sure he won't be able to resist your touch this time around. With all of this.
Yes, please make sure you make him touch you. You know, if you don't consummate your relationship, the man is not yours, so because I don't want you being angry when you see another woman in his house.
Makes sense. Makes sense. But I can only try my best.
Yeah. All right, babe. We wish you a good luck.
Thank you.
Okay?
Exactly. So run along and go get laid, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Talk for now, and I had no correct.
Alright.
Have fun.
Are crazy. But I will love you more, baby. Have fun. Okay. I'm actually looking at this stuff.
Let me show you your clothes.
Why are you acting strange?
Am I? No, I'm actually okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, hold on.
What's wrong?
Nothing. It's just this is not the type of person I am.
I don't feel Johnson started this whole thing from the onset. You both have been chatting for over a year now.
Yeah. Could it be John C. gave him the address to this place?
I don't care.
I just don't want him around my child or anywhere around here.
Supported.
It's okay, babe. It's fine.
Bro, I know exactly how you feel right now. But trust me, last, Oman go there alright.
You don't understand. You don't understand. How else am I supposed to help her and my child?
Well, if you ask me, I'll tell you that our hopes are not lost yet. And perhaps so long as there's life, there's hope. We still have her friend's phone number. I mean, we can still do all this through her.
Makes no difference. I have Damilola's number, yet she will not help.
Well, that Damilola and Zenith are two different persons, if you ask me. And then Zenith has this more understanding and she's more approachable. I believe she will be willing to help. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. We have to try at least. Come on.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, we have to try. You don't have to be like this. The person will die, bro.
Not a good time at all.
I know. But you have to be a man. Be a man, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think I want to do this. Ivy can be very mean when it comes to situations like this.
Zenith, I know what we're asking of you is very difficult. That is why I'm willing to pay you. I'll put you on salary every month. 500,000 naira. Please. All I want is just to see my child. Even if it's once a week, I don't mind. Please.
This is tempting, but I don't want to. I think...
Come on, please. All he's asking is just a way to be in his child's life. And as it stands now, you're our last chance. Please, just help us. Okay? Please.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Yes, you got it. Yes.
Piety. Part of speech. Partnership.
Zenith.
Jocelyn, listen, I have feelings for you. Yes, the past few days we spent together have made me realize that I really do have feelings for you. In fact, Jocelyn, I love you.
But...
No, but I love you. Come on, if Ivy can see the awesomeness in you, another woman has to show her.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything or think about it. All you need to do is give us a chance and you realize how happy we'll be together. I know you have feelings for me, so just let it out.
Telling you, bro. Telling you, don't mean it. Serious.
Like, come on, I can't believe this. Zenith. You're saying Zenith made moves on you?
I'm shocked myself.
But Zenith is supposed to be her closest friend. How can she just, out of all the men in the world, come for you?
It's crazy. I'm still in shock, bro. I'm shocked. You know, it tells you that there are no real friends in this world. Not anymore.
I'm telling you, guy. But come to think about this. Do you know that you can take this to your advantage? Do you know you can take this to your advantage? Have you thought about, okay, let's take it this way. What if you make Zenith believe that you're falling for her? You know, send her money, send her so much gift, like enough money. Okay? Is going to have what we call a reverse psychology. Now, Ivy is going to get jealous and she'll be left no option than to come back to you.
Damian, what are you talking about? Can you hear yourself?
I know what I'm saying. I can hear myself. I'm the one saying it.
This is like pouring salt into a wound. Wait. You want me to go out with Zenith? What happens when Ivy finds out I'm going out with her friend? That will make her hate me the more.
Yeah, that's an angle, bro. That's an angle. Alright? The other angle is she gets jealous, she realizes what she's been missing, the love, the care. You know now, you know how you did it back in the days. If she realizes what she missed or what she's missing, she's going to come back to you. Then the other angle is this. You know, I know how these ladies behave. Okay? There's no way Ivy will be in the house and then she's seeing the love and the care and all you're doing for Zenith and then she wouldn't want to come back to you. I know what I'm saying. I know how these ladies behave.
Bro, this is risky, man.
I know it's risky. I know it's risky. You can take a bottle of whiskey, then think about what I'm saying. Just think about it first. You know I'm the man in this game now. You're always working. You don't know how we play this game. If you play this thing that I'm telling you, you will win this girl. You win this girl. She'll come back. Huh? Enough gifts, enough money. You see Ivy.
So who your friends?
No.
She's next.
Okay.
Ooh la la.
Girls,
What do you want?
give me triangle.
I want circle. Give me circle.
That's
serious.
Oh my god.
You don't have circle. Okay. There you go.
3.
Ivy, last card.
Ivy, what is going on? Please, don't let her win. Don't let her win. Don't let her win. What is going on here? Don't do this. Ivy, don't do this.
Check her.
Ivy, you're a witch.
Now this thing has
after they pay school fees. Hey, back in the days. Mama. Now wait till they pay school fees. I will agree with you. Wait, the phone is ringing. Alright, shuffle. Okay. What? A car? Come in. Okay. Here? Hey. My slippers! Oh, car! Sit down. Give us this. Who is this guy that we are yet to know about?
Oh, yes. See, babes, you can keep this as a secret from the world. You see us? We are literally like your sisters. So you have to tell us everything.
Spill.
Come on, girls. I mustn't tell you everything. I mustn't tell you everything. Besides, everyone has secrets. But when the time is right, I'll tell you both.
Well, meanwhile, you have to show me the way. Yes. Ma'am. I mean, what's up now? What's up now? Tell us how.
Hey, my love, this is the way. But my darling, Jesus is the way.
Wait, leave Jesus out of it first, okay? You're going to take us out because you're about to give us a treat.
Of course. It's our car and we have to celebrate.
I'm just saying that you have to keep Jesus out of it first. You're taking us out.
I'm not scared.
Because you're about to give us a treat.
Oh, yes.
Any location of your choice.
Okay.
And all bills on me.
It's about to be a party. Let me go.
Let's go!
Zenith, what are you doing?
Johnson, what do you mean, what am I doing? Johnson, why don't you want to touch me? You buy me gifts and everything, yet you don't want to touch me. Is it that you don't find me attractive? No, tell me, what is going on, Johnson? You know, this was the exact problem Ivy had with Damien. Why is it that men don't find women attractive these days?
Zenith, listen. I want us to build on this relationship. I don't want it to look as if it's about sex. Alright, that's why I want us to build and allow the relationship to grow. I need to be sure that this is what we want. Do you understand?
No, I don't. Oh, you don't want it to look as if it's based on sex. Really? Johnson, you buy me different gifts, yet you don't want my body. What is the problem?
Buying you gifts or buying you a car doesn't give me access to your body. It's not. I'm not like other men, okay? That's why I want us to flow with the relationship.
Do you want us to flow? Are we a river? No, answer me, Johnson. What is the problem? You don't want to touch me? You don't want to make love to me? Johnson, touch me. Make me feel like a woman. Look at it. You even find it difficult to kiss me. Is it that my breath stinks?
No.
Then what is it?
No, Zenny, look. You are beautiful. You are intelligent. You're smart. The truth is, you're like one of my favorite person in the world.
I'm not. Touch me. Listen, touch me.
Listen, this is not the right time. Trust me.
When is the right time?
Trust me.
Zenith. Zenith! Zenith, how could you?
The same man that put your friend through so much pain. You have the guts. You have the mind to go after him.
You were shameless. I have no idea how you and I became friends in the first place. Of all the men in the world, all the men, my ex.
Your ex? But you left him. I mean, it wouldn't be nice to let him spend all his money on a stranger. So there's nothing wrong with one of us benefiting from him.
So, are you saying it was Johnson that got you that car?
Obviously. No wonder she couldn't even tell us who got the car for her.
Maybe she used Divine to get to him because she's her teacher.
Oh, you are evil. You are evil to use my child for your dirty game. You know what? The battle line has been drawn. Okay?
Kai, listen, Ivy. Johnson is my man and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it.
Did she just say that?
You just said that?
Yes.
Well, let me make something clear to you, little girl. I will go and get my man back. You dare me? I will. And before I get back, I don't want you here. Pack your things and leave this house because I cannot live under the same roof with a fucking snake.
I go nowhere. Why are you leaving? Come and fight me. No, come and fight me.
Shut up!
Shut
What is wrong with you?
Get out.
Hey! You're not even ashamed of yourself. Oloju kokoro.
Oh,
Your shame, they shame me.
My shame, they shame me. Rubbish. You don't need to enjoy my life as well.
Divine. Come here. Get us a room. We're here to stay.
What are you doing, bro? Huh? I mean, this girl is in your house. You should be all caring and loving. Why are you putting up this face?
I know what I'm doing. I got this. Just watch and see.
You got this. Something is up. Why are they actually all here at the same time? Could it be that our plan is working?
Before Uncle. That was the reason I did what I did. I'm even inviting her to put in more effort.
Oh, now I see. This guy, you be bad guy, yo. Let's watch and see, sir. Let's just see how it goes.
Oh, my brother, get your popcorn, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Like cinema.
Film.
Hey, my guy. This one enter.
I know, man, I know. No, this is the plan. The master plan is working.
It is her nerve for me.
Honestly, I can't believe Zenith can be this sneaky. I mean, how could she? I mean, we all saw your pain. And to think the same man that put you through that pain, the same man she's running after, that is so ridiculous. She is evil.
Don't even worry. Don't worry about her. I'm here now. Let me see how far this affair will go.
Ivy, if you can just listen to me. I don't want you to pick any fights with her at all. Just let her be. Let it go.
What do you mean?
I don't want you to give them the vibe of an angry ex. No. I want you to show them how high you have gone. Relegate whatever they do, and trust me, Johnson will come running after you.
I beg, I don't need him.
Can you hear yourself talk? You don't need him. Then why are you there? Why? It's obvious you're still in love with him. Hence your anger. I don't want you to condescend yourself to her level, please. Okay? Strengthen your relationship on a platonic level. Yes. And create an enabling environment for your daughter and her father to be friends. I don't want you to show any concern about their romance at all. No. And that way, I'm sure Johnson will have no choice than to, see you differently.
You're right.
Please, do not condescend yourself to her level. Please.
I don't even know why I came here in the first place.
You went there because she dared you. You went there because there's still a fanned flame in you for him. Yes, no. Don't feel too bad. Don't beat yourself about that, okay? You will be fine.
Okay, I've heard you. Thank you.
It's all right. You're always welcome. All right, babe. Okay.
Baby, I'm sorry for telling you that Uncle Damien is your father.
Was he not?
Let me finish. Okay? He's a good man. I may be angry with him, but he's still your father.
I like him more than Uncle Damien.
You do? Why?
He plays with me well and he buys me toys new.
Really?
I love him.
I just got tired of fighting. I got tired of being angry. And I guess I realized that my anger was hurting me more than any other person. And plus, Dami just talked some senses into me. Made me realize how senseless it was, coming here to fight. Yeah, and for you and Zenith, I wish you guys the best.
But no.
Oh, stop. No, she's not a bad person. Really, she's not a bad person if you come to look at it. I really wish you guys, your heart desires, come to pass.
I don't understand. Oh, yeah, no doubt.
Oh, so she roped you back with her child. It's fine, at least I know my space now. I'll leave tomorrow.
Zen.
Hey. You're good. What are you doing here so early? You didn't tell me you were coming.
Well, I came to speak to Zenith. Yes. Someone has to speak some senses into that girl, baby. She doesn't even pick my calls anymore.
Leave her alone. Damn you, leave her. I've gotten over all this. I'm getting ready. We're about to leave. Divine and I are just going to pack our things and leave soon.
You're not going anywhere. From the day I realized my mistake, I swore never to have anything to do with any woman, so as to give us a chance to come back to each other. And that is the truth. As for Zenith, I never had sex with Zenith. I've never touched her. Nor will I. The truth is, I kept her around because I wanted to make you feel jealous. I wanted to know if it will make you look my way. But not once did I do anything with her. Ivy, this is the face of a man who wants to make amends. The face of a man who would give anything to make things right. This is the face of a man who would drop everything just to answer to your call.
And you know, for 9 months, while I was pregnant, every single day I looked at my door. And I hoped that you would just walk right through that door and just say to me, I got you. But you never did. I went through hell. My parents disowned me. I had to drop out of school. Everybody mocked me. And for what? For who? A man who got me pregnant and all of a sudden just realized I didn't measure up to his standard. And he dropped me like a hot potato. You broke my heart, Johnson.
I'm sorry.
My child was born in a tricycle. Like she was nothing. I couldn't even afford antenatal. I was hell lucky that my child came out looking healthy. And one time that you could just feel my pain, and what do? You top it up by going after my friend.
Ivy, no, listen, I just explained to you, okay? I had my reason for doing that. Please, all I'm begging for, all I'm asking for is just one chance. Ivy, one chance to make things right. I beg you.
No.
Please, Ivy. Please, I want us back together.
It's not possible, Johnson. No.
Please. For our daughter's sake, please. Make everything right.
Don't leave your family.
Please, Ivy.
Okay. You know I love you, right?
Oh my god. It worked!
Well, we are sorry. But this was all planned.
Planned by who?
Well, I remember the day you went downstairs and saw Johnson's number and Zenith's phone. The day I told you to help me with my charger at the city room. That day.
Yes, I almost fell for this good guy, but I had to open up to Damilola and she brought me back to my senses. Then we devised means of bringing you both together.
Jason and I plan to use Zenith to get you jealous. You know, maybe by doing that, you realize how much you loved him. And then along the line, we'll have to drag Damilola into it as well.
We are so sorry. Okay. You know, I had to do it. I had to. My parents were never under the same roof. And that tortured me emotionally. And I didn't want Divine to go through that. You know, I had to try my best for the poor child.
You guys did all this?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me one last chance. I will make things right. I know I've made a mistake. I wanna make it right. Yeah, girl, I know I've had. I caused you so much pain. I know I made a mistake. I wanna make it right. I only wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wouldn't let you out of my sight. I will always be with you. Hey, how I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I will never let you go. I will always one last chance to make up for my wrongs. I'm begging you.